Hello everyone, my name is Shyam Shankar. In this video, we are going to see about page replacement algorithm. The aim is to write a C program or Python program to stimulate page replacement algorithm. That is FIFO, LRU, or optimal. This is the first in first out FIFO program. Here I just entered the user input in here. Then I just give an enter here, end here. That is user input is enter the number of frames. Then I just ended it. Then capacity is equal to int of input. Then f comma fall comma top comma pf is equal to empty string. Then 0 comma 0 no. Then just prints the value. This is a user input. That is a print enter the reference string. And then s is equal to list of map of int comma input. Then that strip then strip split. Then print is equal to string frame, then t, then end. Then for I in range of capacity, print I is equal to I comma end. Then print fault slash n. Then just goes for the new line here. Then for I in s, if I is not in f, if let of length of f less than capacity, f dot append of I, else f of top is equal to I, top is equal to top plus 1 percentage capacity, fault plus is equal to I, pf is equal to yes, else pf is equal to no. Then just prints percentage d slash t percentage I, and end is equal to then empty here, empty list, then empty column, then then for x in f, print x comma end. Then for x in range capacity minus length of f, then print, then end, then percentage f, percentage s, percentage of pf, then just prints total request, percentage d total page fault, percentage d page fault rate, then percentage 0.2 f, then percentage, then the length of s, fault of not fault length of s, then star 100. Here enter the number of frames 3. Then enter the reference string 41245. Here I just goes for 41245. Then fault is 012 fault. Then 4 yes. Then 41 yes. 412 yes. 412 here it just goes for no. Here then 512 yes. Then total request is equal to 5. Total page fault 4. Then fault rates 80%. This is last recently used LRU. This is LRU. Here print of enter the number of frames, and then capacity is equal to int of input, then f comma st fault pf is equal to empty string 0 no. Then print enter the reference string, and then s is equal to list of map of int input, then strip split, then print string frame t, then for I in range of capacity, print of I end, then print of fault slash n. Then for I in yes, if I not in f, then just prints if length of f is less than capacity, f dot append I, then st of append length of f minus 1, else ind is equal to st dot pop. Then f of ind is equal to I, st dot append ind, fp is equal to yes, fault plus is equal to 1, else it just comes for here. If it's not working, then it just comes for else here. Then st is equal to st dot append of stop dot pop, st dot pop, then st dot index, f dot index, then fp is pf is equal to no, print, then percentage d slash t, then percentage I end. For x in f, print x comma end. For x in range capacity minus length of f, print end, print percentage yes, percentage pf, print total request percentage d, total page fault percentage d, fault rate percentage 0.2 percentage, then percentage of length, yes, fault by length of yes, start 100. Yeah, enter the number of frames 3, enter the references string 26841, then string frame 012 fault 26841, 26841, yeah, this all go for yes. Then total request 5, total page fault 5, fault rate 0 100%. This is optimal page replacement. This is for optimal page replacement. Here it just prints everything. This is the user input. Then it just asks the capacity is equal to int input. Then f is f comma fault pf is empty bracket 0 comma no. Then this is user input. Then yes is equal to list of input strip split print of strip string frame, and for I in range of capacity print end, print fault n, occurrence none for I in range of capacity, for I in range of length of s. If s of I is not in f, if length of f capacity f dot append of s of I, else for x in range of length of f, if f of x is not in s, f of x is equal to f s of s of I, then it just breaks, then it just goes for else, then occurrence, then s of I plus 1 is dot index f of x, else f of occurrence dot index is equal to index of max occurrence is equal to s of I, then just goes for fault plus is equal to 1, pf is equal to yes, else pf is equal to no, then you just go for print in here percentage d percentage t percentage t percentage s, this is slash, alright, then end for I for x in f just prints this, for x in range capacity of length minus f, length of f, then just prints this, and then just prints p percentage s, then just prints print total request, then percentage d total price fault percentage d, then slash n fault rate, then just use the fault rate in here, fault rate, then this is length fault by length of s enter 100. This is enter the number of frames 3, string is 7, then just use fault is 0 1 2, then string is 7 and 7 and yes, then total request is 1, page fault is 1, then fault rate is 100%. Then the result is simply putting the Python is successful for the page replacement algorithm before LRA optimal is verified. Thank you guys.